What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best Android tablets in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. If you want to save some money and still get a solid product that checks all the key boxes, we say check out the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8.0, also known as the best budget Android tablet available on the market in 2022. This model sports a metal finish on the back and sides and glass on the screen. If you're looking for something truly portable, you'll probably want an 8-inch tablet. And without a doubt, in front of us is one of the best options. The resolution is 1200 by 800. Although not spectacular, it looks very good for a screen of this size. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A8.0 tablet has a Snapdragon 429 processor, which is enough for most everyday tasks. We can't demand excessive performance from it, so we won't be able to run the most demanding games. However, this model still sports 2 GB of RAM, a storage space of 64 GB, quite enough for most tasks. This Android tablet features the Samsung One User Interface customization layer, which offers a simple and intuitive experience. We will not find too many pre-installed software, Samsung's own applications such as browsers, own store, calendar, and more. Samsung Galaxy Tab A8.0 tablet sports a 5100 mAh battery, which is not bad for an 8-inch tablet and will allow us to spend an entire workday on this device. The manufacturer estimates that the battery will last between 6 and 8 hours and will vary depending on the type of tasks we perform. This is an exceptionally light tablet, and with a set of 2 cameras, one of 8 megapixels on the back and one of 2 megapixels on the front, both without LED flash. Both cameras are capable of recording in Full HD, 1920 by 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second, which in the case of the front, despite the quality of recording, may be enough for some video calls. For the listed price, we are impressed. If you're looking for a top-notch price-quality ratio, we say check out the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, the best value Android tablet in 2022. With the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, Samsung has unveiled a fairly inexpensive tablet with an S Pen after many years. This tablet also offers a 10.4-inch screen. The most important features of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite are the screen and the S Pen. We get a 10.4-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels, which is pretty cool. We think the resolution is high enough for a 10-inch screen. You can still work outside with this model. The colors are fairly saturated, and the contrast is not super strong. S6 Lite sports the Widevine technology, so you can watch Netflix in HD resolution. The device is pretty exciting when you want to use the S Pen. It's an active pen that supports 4096 pressure levels. Samsung has built many software features into the pen, including handwriting recognition, which converts your handwriting into the computer text. The device sports Samsung's own Exynos 9611 octa-core processor, which is supported with 64 GB of internal memory as well as with built-in LTE. Performance is good for normal daily use. It doesn't matter if you search the web with Chrome, watch videos on YouTube, edit photos with Lightroom, or write text with Word. All these options work great with this tablet. Also, we like that we have a micro SD card slot at our disposal, a headphone jack, and a USB-C port. The speaker is located on each of the short sides, so you can hear true stereo separation, and the overall sound quality is good. The 5-megapixel front camera and 8-megapixel main camera offer decent results. Most of the features of this model are quite good. It offers a solid screen, fast performance, high-quality workmanship, and the latest software. The S Pen remains the biggest selling point of this tablet. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Up next, check out the Lenovo Tab P11 Pro, also known as the best mid-range Android tablet available on the market in 2022. This model offers an 11.5-inch OLED screen, an exceptionally slim design, a fingerprint reader, and you can get it with an active pen and keyboard. The 11.5-inch screen is significantly larger than conventional 10-inch tablets. At the same time, it's one of the few tablets with an OLED panel. This has many advantages, as the colors are very saturated, and the screen offers a deep level of black. It's a great option for watching Netflix and YouTube, with an ideal 16:10 aspect ratio, and you can stream Netflix in HD, which was not possible with some of the company's tablets before. The screen has a pretty high resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels. Tab P11 Pro supports an active pen called Lenovo Precision Pen 2. The device is driven by the 730GB Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core processor. There's also 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, as well as optional LTE. The P11 Pro gives significantly better results than typical mid-range tablets such as the Galaxy Tab S5e. Almost all games should work well and work great with HD graphics. If you want to play demanding games though, you'll just have to play with slightly weaker graphics. For everything else, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 is powerful enough. Chrome is easy to use with many tabs. You can edit photos in Lightroom, and YouTube and Chrome run smoothly at the same time. Selfies look good with the front camera, and you can also use the 13-megapixel main camera on the back. Next to it is an LED flash. The P11 Pro tab has a total of 4 side speakers. In fact, they're some of the best speakers you can get. Lastly, the battery life is great. If you stream HD video on YouTube at maximum brightness, the battery lasts for over 10 hours. That's really good. Thumbs up, that's for sure. The next product we'll talk about is the Amazon Fire HD10, Amazon's best option in this niche in the 2022 market. There are several versions of the Fire HD10, starting with 32GB for storage with software-supported ads. The resolution is 1920 by 1200 pixels with a density of 224 pixels per inch on a 10.1-inch screen. This is not the highest figure, but the viewing experience is definitely solid. The colors are bright and don't suffer from oversaturation. In addition, the contrast seems adequate, and we like the final visual output. This is not the brightest screen, but if mostly used at home, the brightness is more than adequate. On the main screen, we can check the installed apps, app recommendations, the latest opened content, and more. On the screen on the left, we can see more recommendations divided by sections, and on the screen on the right, we can check the store. The device is very simple in its design, available in only black, and made of 28% recycled plastic. On the sides, you'll find 3 buttons: boost, zoom out, and lock and unlock. 2 pretty powerful speakers, a USB Type-C charging port, a 3.5mm stereo input, and a slot for adding micro SD cards. It integrates an octa-core processor and 3GB of RAM and is compatible with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but not with 4G, much less with 5G. All in all, that's more than enough for basic tasks. Amazon Fire HD10 offers 2 cameras, a 2-megapixel front cam and a 5-megapixel rear one with 720-pixel HD video recording, and the quality's pretty decent. Generally speaking, this model's greatest value is that you can use it to watch or listen to multimedia content, especially, of course, in Amazon Prime Video itself, or for reading and surfing the web. Finally, we're looking at a good battery here, with up to 12 hours of autonomy to read, browse the web, watch videos, or listen to music. In short, this is a solid tablet, well designed to enhance and take advantage of all Amazon products. Thumbs up. Finally, we present you the gold medalist for today and the title of the best overall Android tablet available on the market in 2022, and the winner is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. We're looking at a tablet that combines the best design with the best screen and the best specs. The reduced margins surrounding the screen make it a more compact device than one would expect, given the screen has a diagonal of 12.4 inches, and the extreme thinness of its body makes it a portable tablet like few others. The keyboard on the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus does its job perfectly, offering a comfortable experience when it comes to typing and using tablets via the integrated touchpad. Even the great Retina panel of the iPad Pro can't be compared to the stunning 12.4-inch Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED Galaxy Tab S7 Plus screen for brightness, sharpness, or color reproduction. Using it is simply a pleasure under any circumstance, and much of the power lies in its 120Hz refresh rate, which finally puts Samsung's latest tablet on par with the iPad Pro in this regard. But there are other aspects that perfectly complement the great screen of this tablet. One of them is the S Pen, which, unlike the Apple Pencil, is part of the tablet. Through the same improvements that the S Pen has already introduced for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, the company has managed to create its best pen to date, offering a natural and extremely fluid writing experience. We must also mention the excellent audio system, which consists of 2 stereo speakers that can generate pleasant and surprisingly loud sound. The battery autonomy of this tablet is also good, especially if it's used to do what a large percentage of tablet users would do with their devices: browse the internet, use videos on platforms such as YouTube or Netflix, read, write notes, and more. With daily work and usual activities, it's not difficult to reach 8 or even 9 hours of continuous use. In addition, the tablet supports supports fast charging. It doesn't matter what you want to do. Browse the internet with more open cards, play some of the most demanding titles or games with better graphics, edit pictures or videos, or simply consume multimedia content. Tab S7 Plus does not suffer under any circumstances. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.